Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aipad token. Now Aipad is the name of the token, and that's also the ticker symbol. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, and it's just exploding right now. Right now it's up 3,168%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Aipad token. So Aipad.tech is their official webpage. They also have a block explorer on here. This is a Binance Smart Chain token, so you can find the price chart contract address on CoinMarketCap. Their BSC scan. They also have, it's a cross-chain token, so they have an Ethereum contract address as well. They also have Medium articles, a TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, all sorts of stuff on here. So it says they are listed on a few different central exchanges here, or central and decentralized exchanges here. So if you're looking to get the Binance Smart Chain version of this token, you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and trade your BSC. For the Aipad token, using the contract address for the BSC address. You can also get it off Dodo Swap, which is another BSC decentralized exchange. If you want to get the Ethereum one, fund your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, then go to Uniswap instead of PancakeSwap. Do it that way. And it's also listed on a central exchange called Kucoin. So you could download Kucoin, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Aipad, and then simply just buy the token that way. So there's a bunch of different ways you can get this token. Token price right now is 66.5 cents per token. If you go to their official webpage, Aipad.tech, you can see that there is a full white paper over there. So their BSC scan has 4,349 holders. Total supply 199,972,771 total supply. 18 decimal places. They're listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. They have a contact email as well on their BSC scan. So yeah, over 4,000 holders on the BSC address. I just saw a comment, somebody's saying that they're a scam. They've only got 17 holders. So, I mean, obviously, I'm not sure if they're a scam or not, but that person is obviously wrong. That's why you can't always just read a comment and be like, oh yeah, I agree with that comment. They have over 4,300 BSC holders, and this person's saying they have 17 for some reason. But yeah, you can check the Ethereum address as well. The Ethereum address has 346 holders, 18 decimal places, and 199,994,710 Ethereum tokens. So, almost 5,000 in total between Ethereum and BSC. And so their white paper, it says leaderboard tier system, Aipad leaderboard, a deep dive into Aipad's leaderboard. So Aipad is pleased to announce the introduction of a gamified leaderboard, which offers our community innovative and interactive methods of participating in IDOs hosted on our platform. The leaderboard is accessible to all individuals possessing a KYC approved wallet. Your placement and score on the leaderboard will determine your tier and subsequent allocation. So token holding, it says Aipad's leaderboard includes a holding component that incentivizes users to maintain their tokens for a predetermined duration. This component score is calculated by capturing users' token holdings once daily, over 21 days during a multiplier is applied beginning on at day times 2 times on a day. This is weird the way they wrote this out. Minus 21 and gradually decreasing to 1 times on day 1. The score is calculated based on token holdings, so tokens sold will not be included in the calculation. We may introduce another element for leaderboard boosts. Further details will be provided in due course. Stay tuned for updates. So, yeah, there is an Aipad website that will display the leaderboard, which showcases users' score. The top 1,000 users on the leaderboard are guaranteed an allocation in the project. So there's also whitelist. It says users within the top 500 of the leaderboard are not required to join the whitelist. However, if you are competing for a position near the top 500, it's advisable to err on the side of caution and join the whitelist. So, in conclusion, it says Aipad's leaderboard offers a cutting-edge solution to motivate users to retain its native token. By compensating users for both their holding and other metrics, Aipad's has developed a more interactive and satisfying experience for its user base. With a distinctive approach to tokenomics, Aipad is well positioned to make a significant impact in the blockchain sector. So they have an IDO information on here, central exchange listing information on here, decentralized exchange listing. So we basically went over all of that already. So PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Kucoin, it's all listed on there already. It says they have Meta VPad, GameZone, ETHPad, and BSCPad. And there's KYC requirements for those. Their tokenomics are on here. We kind of already went over tokenomics, but basically token allocation is split up between 15% of the tokens go to the ecosystem, 18% goes to team and advisors, 5.69% of the tokens go to reserve, 20% liquidity, 12% staking, 20% seed and private sale, 9% public sale, and 0.31% goes to airdrops. Now on their white paper, I just noticed like they don't have a audit or KYC, so just be aware of that. I don't see that on there. Now if you go over to their official web page, they have, let's see here. They have some more information obviously on their web page. It's not an extensive amount more. Yeah, I don't see an audit or KYC or anything like that. So be aware that they don't have, tons of security listed on here anywhere. So, it could be sketchy. That person could be right, obviously, but some other person wrote scam on here, but you never know, right? There's some bearish and bullish comments all mixed on here. So just definitely do your own research since there is no audit or KYC, and a lot of people are saying negative things in the comments here. So definitely be aware of that. Thoroughly investigate this token. Sometimes tokens are up for bad reasons. Right, it's up 3,000 something % right now. I mean, the overall chart, if you look at the overall chart, it actually went down a whole lot. Even though it's up right now, it went down a whole lot from its initial price. So, yeah, thoroughly investigate this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think it's a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.